Hi, Leanna. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Nathan. Thanks for coming out.
Absolutely. Who are these guys?
Anthony.
Anthony, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Alexander.
Alexander, nice to meet you.
We wrote in because we'd love some help building a sandbox.
Absolutely.
And we love to dig.
You love to dig? I love to dig too.
You love to dig too.
You like to dig too? We could do some digging today. First things first, where do we want to put it?
Can we put it over there? I want to put it over there.
Let's take a look over here first, all right?
Okay.
Yeah, so we were thinking around here.
Okay.
Just because it's pretty shady, and there not a lot of grass grows here anyways.
Yeah.
And as you can see, the kids' toys are in this area anyway.
Yep. I think this is a great spot. It looks fairly level. We don't want to have to dig down too much or bring in any fill to make it level. So I think this spot would be perfect. If you guys want to clear the toys out of the way, I'll go get some materials and we can get started.
Okay,
All right.
thanks. Alexander, you want to move the skateboard? Remember, watch where you're going, okay?
So I picked up some pressure treated 4x6 feet. This pressure treated stock is going to last for a long time. We'll start by making 3 kits that'll make 3 courses. All right, this is what I was thinking for a sandbox. It's made out of 4x6 pressure treated stock, so it'll last for a long time. Luckily, we have a great grade here. It's nice and level. Perfect down this end. We rise up a little bit here, a little high in this corner, so I think we'll just take a rake and just kind of soften it a little bit. Then we'll assemble the pieces and start building up. First, we'll, oh, you like it? I'm glad you like it. Do you like it?
Yeah.
You guys ready to start putting some stuff together? So let's clear this out of the way. We'll soften the grade and then we'll bring it back in and start assembling, okay?
Awesome.
All right. To start, I'm going to fasten the corners with some timber screws. All right, so there's 2 things that I want to check. We know we're level, but I do want to check it for square, and I want to check it for the distance off the fence panel so it looks nice and even along the edge. Let's check for square first. So grab the end of this tape, go over to that corner, hook me right on that tip. So I'm going to read my tape. I got 102 inches. So now you go to that corner and I'll go to this one. All right, 102 inches. So we know we're perfectly square, which is great. Now I'm going to check the fence panel. 31 inches and 31 inches. And that really is just so it's aesthetically kind of pleasing. It's equal off the fence. We're nice and square. Let's put some weed fabric in and I'll explain why in a second, all right? All right, next step is we're gonna put down some of this weed fabric. And the reason we're gonna do that is we're really not worried about weeds as much as our play sand mixing with this mulch and soil below it. So if you go down that end, Alexander, then you grab this end. We're gonna roll this across. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. All right, watch your step, go up and out.
You gotta make it smooth, right?
Yes, sir. All right, let's turn directions. All right. One of you holds one end, the other one roll it out. All right, nice. All right, now let's put the next layer on. So what we got is middle kit. So what they're gonna do is overlap, right? So the ends are gonna be longer this time.
Yeah.
And the sides will be a little bit shorter. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, come stand on this one right here. Put all your weight on that right there. Perfect. So now we can lock in that second course down to the first one. I'm gonna start it You're gonna finish it, all right? Pull that trigger and push down real hard. All right, what do you think about adding a little seat in the corner here? Somewhere to sit? All right, so the last thing I want to do before we add sand is I'm going to take my router and add a round over to the edge. Keep you guys from getting any splinters and make it nice and safe. I'll cut them open, you guys spread it out.
Dude, this is a lot of work, bro.
What are you doing? You're not stopping, are you?
Nope. I'm still doing.
All right, guys, no sandbox is complete without a nice piece of machinery. Put that in there. Alexander, you want to give it a try?
Sure.
All right, see your operating skills. It's nice and sturdy. Take a big scoop. Nice job. Sound effects are perfect. All right, only one rule. Keep the sand in the box, okay? All right.
Awesome. This looks great.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for all your help today, boys.
Thank you so much.
All
We
right.
appreciate it.
Enjoy it. See ya.
Thank you. Awesome.
I'll just pour it in there. It's like the teeth did.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.